Right now, the camera looking across the Caloosahatchee is beautiful. It's clear outside, but it is warm and it's humid. It is going to feel like the upper 90s to near 100 degrees later on this afternoon. And I know that feels more like a rainy season summertime pattern. But as we look right now at the radar, an old boundary sitting just to the north. This is the one that's been responsible for all the severe weather in the northern part of the state. And it's a little closer to southwest Florida this morning. What that will do is give us a little more cloud cover here today and a little more rain. You can see it already moving into Tampa St. Pete. Light little drizzle there along 275 and I-4. For us, we're dry. That's going to help your morning commute on a Friday. And like the last couple of days, yesterday, we saw some rain inland there south of the lake. And you can see the Doppler radar indicating an inch or two there between Clewiston, Belglade, and Pahokee. Today, same area has the higher chance of rain, and that's because our wind's going to turn out of the southwest this afternoon as that sea breeze front kicks in, and already we're off to a fairly warm start. Fort Myers at 70, we should be around 67, and that is a little bit cooler than where we were yesterday. But look at the jump from Charlotte County north through Arcadia, as it's a 5 to 6 degree change, and then as we look at the wind, it's fairly light out of the east now, but as I mentioned, it will flip around this afternoon. Matter of fact, it's going to pick up before the sea breeze front kicks in. We'll see the winds 10 to 15 miles per hour and a nice little breeze this afternoon. We'll see it there in the upper teens, and over the weekend on Sunday, we're going to double that. We can see our winds gust up to 40 miles per hour as a cold front slides through. We'll get to that in just a moment. Here's what it looks like as we wrap up the work week. 91 for our high, and that is above our average of 87, but you can see it is well shy of a record of 96 going back to 2017. A look across the country, you can see a low spinning here across Kentucky and West Virginia, and a cold front is trailing that, and eventually a more powerful cold front will arrive here later in the weekend. So let's kind of snapshot the next 3 days. We'll start off here on Friday morning, and we'll pause it in the afternoon, where you can see those scattered showers and thunderstorms developing around the lake and moving east. And kind of a similar forecast here on Saturday. We'll see our temperatures in the low 90s, and the rainfall will be located over towards the I-95 corridor, but can't help but notice that, can you? That's what's going to happen here on Sunday. More moisture moves in, and early Sunday morning, early as 6, 7 o'clock, we can see some showers, even some thunderstorms roll through. And boy, you can see the wind out ahead of the front south, and then a due west wind coming in behind it. And as we progress the day on Sunday, we will see some showers and storms lingering through lunchtime, and then that rain moves on out Sunday evening. Let's take you through each day and really walk you through the weekend forecast. I know a lot of us love to plan things here in beautiful Southwest Florida in late April. Today looks clear, a little more cloud cover though by lunchtime, and you can see those isolated showers and a few thunderstorms around the lake and really focused over towards I-95. As we go throughout the evening, we'll see our skies clear, and then we focus on Saturday, which is going to be very similar. We'll see a few passing clouds in the morning, and then the afternoon, once again, it's Glades, Hendry, Highlands County, even inland Collier, where a few showers and thunderstorms will develop before getting a push towards the east. Now let's talk about Sunday. As you wake up, many of you head to church, get your second day of the weekend going. It is going to be windy, and we've got the chance of rain again as early as 6, 7 o'clock. As we go closer to 9, thunderstorms continuing to roll through, and you can really see that wind shift. Once this comes through, that's when we're going to see those winds gust up to 40 miles per hour, and we've still got some wet weather lingering there at lunchtime. The good news is the evening hours will dry out, and that's going to set the stage for a dry Monday, so the commute looks good early next week. As far as our temperatures, we'll see a nice little dip. Low 80s there on Monday, upper 80s Tuesday and Wednesday as we heat back up pretty quickly behind that cold front.